you naked?
Get on the ground!
Get on the ground before I kill you! Get on the ground!
These were the moments when officers came face to face with unpredictable suspects who weren't even wearing clothes.
I'm not taking
From
off my
dangerous
clothes.
weapons to high-speed
on,
chaos, these weren't your average
naked?
arrests. And in each case, what happened next was anything but
Come here.
ordinary.
Hey, Lieutenant, if you got one available, go ahead and start me another.
It was supposed to be a simple arrest, but when this officer gave commands to a naked 25-year-old, the situation spiraled fast. Officer, put your hands up and turn away from me. You walk towards me and you will get tased. The man ignored every warning. One more step and he charged. A brutal struggle erupted right in the open. Backup rushed in to bring him down, but not before the officer was injured.
Hey, you need to calm down, okay? Yeah, that's a 10-4. Just east of 2800. Hey, what's your name, man? Hey, come here. Come here. Walk down this way. I want to talk to you.
You are a cop!
I am a cop.
Take off your clothes!
No, I'm not taking off my clothes. What's going on, man? Why are you naked?
Get on the ground!
Come here.
No!
Come here. I need you to calm down, okay? We're gonna try to do this nicely, alright? Here's what I want you to do. I want you to put your hands on top of your head, okay? Hey, don't walk towards me.
You will stand down!
Don't walk towards me. Put your hands up.
Ah!
Turn away from me.
Ah!
Put your hands up. Turn away from me.
I'm sorry.
Put your hands up. Turn away from me. Put your hands up. Don't walk towards me. You will get tased.
You got it, right? Yeah.
All right, stay back. Hey, put your hands up. Turn away from me. Put your hands up. Turn away from me. Hey, put your hands up and turn away from me. You walk towards me, you'll get tased. Do you understand me? One more step. Hey! Get on the ground! Fight! Fight!
The suspect taken into custody and later linked to a history of severe mental illness. Santa Fe deputies spotted something bizarre on the highway. A silver Toyota RAV4 SUV with objects being thrown out the window. The driver? A 51-year-old woman, and she was completely naked. When they tried to pull her over, she floored it, reaching over 100 miles per hour and blowing red lights, until she slammed into a pickup truck at full speed. And then it got even stranger. She leapt out of the wrecked car, still naked, and sprinted across the road, screaming. Deputies tackled and cuffed her off camera after a short chase.
Check that car. Huh?
In Oklahoma City, officers arrived to arrest 40-year-old Jose Martinez, wanted for rape, including a juvenile victim. But as they approached the house, Martinez burst out the back, completely naked and armed. He fled through a wooded area, gun in hand. And a barbed wire fence, he tossed the weapon over and climbed up. Then, he picked the gun back up and turned to face the officers. "You'll have to kill me," he said. That's when officers opened fire. Martinez was pronounced dead on the scene.
There's a call, Bill. There's a naked Mexican male with a gun in his hand.
Get on the ground before I kill you! Get on the ground before I kill you! Get on the ground!
Kill me.
Turn around!
No, you gotta kill me.
Turn around! Stop! Stop! Shots fired. He's gonna try to jump the fence. Get on the ground before I kill you! Get on the ground before I kill you! Get on the ground!
Kill me.
Turn around!
No, you gotta kill me.
Turn around! Stop! Stop! Shots fired, suspect down.
Los Angeles, 2021. Officers respond to an unusual call, a naked man wielding a sword. As they arrive at the cruiser, the man approaches the cruiser and slams the blade onto the hood. Both officers jump out and deploy their tasers. One strike and the suspect goes down hard. He's taken into custody and later placed under psychiatric evaluation.
Hello, 694 CHP. Hey, sir. Hey, info for you guys, West 145th Street with a cross of South Menlo Avenue. Okay. I just had a caller who was getting a picture from his relatives who live in that area for a male black adult in shorts walking around with a sword and yelling at nothing. With a sword. Yeah. Male is believed to be walking eastbound on 145th past Menlo towards what looks to be, I guess that would be Orchard? Okay.
I'll have an officer sent out.
Have a great day, sir. Be safe.
Thank you.
Elmer, drop the knife. Drop the sword.
Drop the sword.
Put the sword on the ground. Listen, Elmer, you're not in trouble.
You're not in danger, Elmer.
Elmer, you're not in danger. We're here to help you.
Drop the sword.
Elmer, put the sword down. We're here to help you. We're not going to hurt you. Yes. Elmer, put the sword on the ground.
Detail 20.
There you go. Put it on the ground, sir. Come over here. Talk to me. You're not in trouble. You are the king. You're a king. Come over here. Talk to me. Elmer, you are a king. All right, come over here. Let's talk. You're not in trouble. Step over here. Come over here. Come here to us.
Any air unit coming on southeast frequency for
Elmer, you're not in trouble, Elmer. We're not gonna hurt you. Yeah, put your hands up, King. King Elmer. Come over here, talk to us. Elmer, we're not gonna hurt you, Elmer.
64th and Kinnison.
King Elmer, come over here, King Elmer.
Got the sword, King Elmer.
Hey, drop the sword, man. Hey, back up.
It's not sharp.
Elmer, drop the sword. Shit, man.
145 and Menlo.
Elmer, drop it.
I know, I got the taser.
You got the taser?
Yeah, but it's a short range.
Hey, watch out, man. Throwing out TC. Chill.
Close the door, I can't see right.
Let me switch to the long one.
Hotel 30 Roger.
Yeah, get the boom boom boom.
This guy, dude. He probably has a mental illness.
Yeah.
X5, close to
661 Roger.
Hey, watch out. Hey, drop it, sir. Drop it.
Good job, guys. You guys all right?
Yeah, what?
Yeah.
All right. I got it.
Can you take this one off?
Yeah.
He is.
He's bleeding.
Hey, drop it, sir. Drop it.
Good job, guys.
I got it.
Yeah, we're good.
All right. I'll put it out, dude. I got it.
Can you take this one off?
Yeah.
He is.
He's bleeding.